York Metro
For Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Welcome back. A few spotty sprinkles and wet flurries in the process of developing here through this evening, and we're going to kind of see an uptick of this as we go through the overnight, with rain and wet snow showers changing to just snow showers. But accumulations are going to be fairly minor, if any, only like a coating to an inch or less. Temperature right now, it's 36 degrees, so that's just too warm. Now there's going to be some snow showers and flurries around into the day on Friday, particularly the first half of the day, and then it'll just be mostly cloudy. But it's been a long time coming, right? Sunshine returning for the weekend. Now don't be surprised if Saturday morning you wake up and it's still kind of gray. Just be patient. It's that time of the year where sometimes it takes a little while to kind of scour that low-level moisture out. So just a fair warning for you. So as you wake up Saturday and you're like, well, Craig, you said, patience. By the afternoon, I expect a lot of sunshine, and that's going to last into much of next week. Temperatures right now are in the mid-30s. So again, not too bad when you consider it is now February 1st. 35 in Cooperstown. Waterville at 34. Up north, temperatures here are in the low 30s. And by the numbers, when we look at February, here's kind of a snapshot of what this month will do for us. This time of year, especially the month of February, we really start to gain a lot of ground on multiple fronts. Now, it can also be a very harsh winter month, but the average high today is 29. That is the coldest average high we have all year. So from this point forward, we will start to see average temperatures increase by the 29th. Average high is 35. Average low today, 13. By the end of the month, it's 19. And the sunset will be just before 6 o'clock by the time we get to the end of February. There are a couple flurries down here to Otsego County along I-88 from Worcester to Milford, along 166 and Route 80. And we've had a couple of sprinkles here locally. We go out a little bit wider. West Coast getting pummeled with a big storm. It's been warm in mid-country. I mean, we've had 50s and 60s going all the way up into the southern prairies of Canada. For us here at home, notice this little spin right here, little package of energy in the upper levels. That's going to drag a cold front through, and that's going to be kind of the impetus for some rain and wet snow showers to develop overnight. So there's the front coming through. Now watch as we go through the day tomorrow. A couple flurries and snow showers, cloudy sky. And then by the time we get into Saturday, again, in the morning, it might start out a little cloudy, but high pressure off to the north. Come on, it's coming in, and that will mean a lot of sunshine by the afternoon. And even into Sunday, too. There's a little weak backdoor cold front that's going to sneak in on Sunday, so all that's going to do is bring a few extra clouds into the area, but it should stay dry. Rain and wet snow showers changing to snow showers overnight, coating to an inch. Temperatures in the low 30s, and then through the day tomorrow, brisk and colder. A few snow flurries around, mainly early, mostly cloudy, a high of 36. Early clouds Saturday, then sunny for the afternoon, 37. A few more clouds Sunday afternoon, so it's kind of the inverse, but it's going to stay dry, 38. Clouds and sun Monday, mid-30s, and then sunny to mostly sunny Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and even milder. The temperatures get into the mid-40s by Thursday, and of course we will see what Phil says tomorrow.
Yes, it's going to feel like summer next week.
I know, everyone will be in shorts.
Yeah, compared to us. One of our camera guys is in shorts right now.
Yeah, there's always one guy.
Yep, there's always one.
To be Landon.
Yep. All right. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News at 6.
Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Hey, good evening, everyone. So let's get you up to date with the forecast. Just hang in there. We do have more sunshine. It's just going to take all of tomorrow and maybe into the first couple hours of Saturday before we start to see a little bit of clearing. So we've got clouds in tow tonight. We've had some very light rain and sprinkles and wet snow showers, mainly because the temperature is still 37. So when you consider it's February 1st at 10 o'clock at night, it should not be 37. I mean, our normal high, which we'll take a look at in a moment, is like 31, 29, 30, 31. So we're even above that at this late hour. Here's what to expect. Some snow showers and flurries around through the day on Friday, but this is not going to add up much. And then we get into the sunshine this weekend, and I think it's going to last into much of next week as well. Here, look at the other numbers tonight. So mid-30s at Griffiths and Rome. Marcy is at 36. Down to the south, we're in the mid-30s in Cooperstown, Milford, and then up north, we're in the low 30s here. So even the high peaks of the Adirondacks, it is not what it should be. Here is what it should be. So if you took the average high for today over the last 30 years of data, it's 29. The average low is 13. That's normal. That's what it should be. By the end of the month, you can see average high increases to 35. We gain 6 degrees on the average low, and more importantly, the sun sets, right? So 5:12 today, and by the end of the month, it's 10 to 6. And with all that sun next week, you'll notice it too. We'll really start to stretch out that daylight, and it matters. It makes a difference when it's sunny because you get twilight longer. You just don't have these dead low clouds over you like we do tonight. Got a couple of flurries out there. It's been really warm in mid-country, 50s, 60s. At one point, in the southern prairies of Canada, it was warmer than Key West. Yeah, so we got a big storm out west, just trucking in the moisture. I mean, they could have 70 inches of snow by Monday in the mountains out west. For us, just a lot of clouds, a little front coming through. You can see just a few spotty rain or wet snow showers. So the front settles south. We're going to stay in the clouds tomorrow and probably into Saturday morning. So don't be surprised if you wake up Saturday morning it's still gray. But we'll blow that gray away as high pressure to the north really starts to build in and flex its muscles. So that's going to clear the sky out. So more sunshine by Saturday and into Sunday as well. The one caveat to Sunday is there's a little backdoor cold front, which means it comes in from the wrong direction. It's coming in from the north and east. All that's going to do is produce some extra clouds late Sunday into Monday. So we'll have a few rain and wet snow showers around tonight. Temperatures will be in the low and mid-30s, and then a few snow showers and flurries through the day tomorrow. A brisk breeze, so 36 will feel kind of chilly. Then we head into Saturday again, cloudy early, sunny by afternoon. 37, kind of the inverse on Sunday, sunny, and then a few more clouds late in the day. Clouds and sun Monday, and then sunny to mostly sunny as we head into the majority of next week, turning milder to mid-40s by Thursday. So winter on hold the first week of February, which statistically should be the coldest part of the winter.
Interesting. Yeah.
It's crazy.
And you think it's going to be later in February?
Yes.
Oh.
Later February looks fun.
All right, we'll see what happens. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News. First at 10, sports director Brennan Miller will bring us a look at local athletics. Decent games tonight, Brennan?
Yeah, some really good ones in the
Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Welcome back. So we've got a little bit of light rain and wet snow that is falling over parts of the area here this evening, but it's not going to add up to much more than just like a slushy coating. Temperatures are just too warm. Take a look. Downtown, there have been a few flurries. Temperature of 36. Winds are fairly light out of the north and west. So we'll have a few more scattered snow showers and flurries around, not only tonight, but into the day Friday. But hang on. We got more sunshine returning for the weekend and then into much of next week as well. Temperatures now are in the mid-30s. This is really weird for 11 o'clock at night, February 1st. Mid-30s Cooperstown, low 30s in Old Forge. And by the numbers, as we've flipped the calendar now into February, our average high today, 29. This is what it should be. So we should be around 29, 30 in the afternoon, and we should be down to around 13 if this were an average February night. But what is normal? Don't ask me. As we get into the end of the month, the 29th, leap year this year, so 35 over 19, and more importantly, the sunset just before 6 o'clock. And as we head into next week, I expect a lot of sunshine, and that is going to help. It's going to matter because when you don't have like dead clouds over you and you have sunshine, you get twilight longer, so you'll really notice it next week. So we kind of have this smattering of rain and wet snow showers around. This is Stark, Jordanville, Van Hornsville, just to the north of Route 20, down to the TP just outside of Sharon Springs, and then a few sprinkles here around Rome and Griffiths, and then some flurries and snow showers over the southern hills of Madison and Onondaga County. It's been really warm across mid-country, 50s and 60s, going all the way up into southern Canada. The west coast getting lashed with rain and heavy mountain snow. Big storm out there. Here at home, a lot of clouds around the area and this kind of spray of sprinkles and flurries as this front moves through. We're going to be still in cloudy weather tomorrow, but notice by the time we get to Saturday. Now, one caveat Saturday, you wake up early in the morning, don't be surprised if it's cloudy. And then what happens is you see this area of high pressure to the north. That is dry air that will be moving south. So we'll blow and get rid of all the gray away by Saturday afternoon. And that high will be in charge not only for this weekend, but it's just going to kind of camp out north of us next week. So the end result will be a lot of sunshine for you and me. Tonight, rain and wet snow showers around, temperatures in the low and mid-30s. Tomorrow, kind of a brisky breeze, so it will be chilly with a few flurries and snow showers in the mid-30s. Clouds early Saturday, bright sunshine by the afternoon, 37. A few more clouds Sunday as a weak backdoor cold front comes in, but it's going to stay dry. Clouds and sun Monday, and then more sunshine into next week, turning milder as well. And of course, tomorrow, Punxsutawney Phil's big day.
Hope he's getting a nice...
How could he see his shadow with no sunshine?
Maybe they'll just be like a little peak.
I think it's all the pomp and circumstance and the lights and the TV cameras.
Yeah, there you go.
Does it count, though?
It counts.
Does it really matter?
It counts. I hope he's getting his beauty sleep.
He's going to get an early wake-up call.
It looks so cute, yeah, when they pull him out.
7:15, 7:20.
Yep. All right. Well, that's when we'll know. Sounds good. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News at 11. More mixed reviews of a controversial